And one of the things about lovers is they want to hear about the beloved. You know, oh, what did she say? Really? She said that? What was she wearing? Really? She was a blue dress? Oh, you know, and this is what the lover does. They want to hear about the beloved, right? Tell me more. And that's the nature of ishq, of being in love. And there are people historically who have died from love of the Prophet ﷺ. من عاشق وكتم ومات فمات شهيدا. It's transmitted as a hadith. I don't know. I've never seen the sanad, but they mention it, and there's a wisdom in it. Whoever falls in love and conceals that love and then dies from it, he dies a shaheed. And afa, man afa wa katama, and he was afid. In other words, he didn't do anything haram with the object of his love. And there's a famous story also of Imam Ibn Sina, radiallahu anhu. He was once taking a case of this woman who was dying like marasma. She was just withering away, young girl. And he took her pulse, and he started talking to her about her family and where she lived. And when she mentioned where she lived, he said, oh, I know that area, and I just, you must know the people. Do you know that family? And she said, yes. Do you know that family? She said, yes. And then he said, do you know that family? And then her pulse started going very fast. And then he said, oh, who do you know from that family? Do you know so-and-so? Do you know so-and-so? And then he got to a young man from the family, and her pulse started racing. And then he realized that she was in love, and she was just dying from ishq, you know. And so he told the parents what the problem was. So that is a real thing. It's not an unreal thing. And I think people now, it's probably less so just because people don't have that capacity anymore to really, but that does happen to people. And Imam al-Bukhari is said to have died from his love of the Prophet ﷺ.